update on the equity markets. The Nifty opened on a flat note today, flat to positive note today, and continued to inch higher throughout the day. During the day, it hit an all-time high today reaching the previous high of 8180 on the upside. It closed on a positive note, up 78 points. The market breadth was also positive with 810 advances to 696 declines. From the Nifty 50 pack, Reliance, Infosys, TCS, HCL Tech, HDFC Bank, HDFC Limited, L&T and ONGC were some of the gainers in trade today, while Mahindra & Mahindra, Kane India, Cipla, Ambuja Cement were some of the stocks which closed with minor losses in today's trading session. We will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, we can observe that the Nifty has closed in the positive for the third consecutive day after this negative day, and we feel that it has also closed above the crucial resistance trend line or the crucial swing high of 8180 on the upside. In today's trading session, it breached that high by 2 points and thereafter traded in a sideways manner. The reason could be today was the expiry trading session, and that is the reason why it just touched that high and just pulled back after that. However, overall we feel that the positive momentum should continue on the upside in the coming trading sessions. Crucial supports for Nifty are placed at 8140 and 8080. On the upside, 8260, which is the weekly upper Bollinger Band, and 8300 become crucial resistances. Now moving on to the hourly charts, we can observe that Nifty has been holding on to this crucial support trend line and has been trading with a positive bias. We feel that any dip, whenever we get it, should be used as a buying opportunity, as we have increased, as our short-term targets have been met, and as a result of which we have revised our short-term target to 8500 on the upside. 8500 on the upside is this upper end of this channel and also the equality target of the previous wave. So 8500 now becomes a crucial level to watch out for, and our short-term target is also placed at 8500 on the upside. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty traded in the range of yesterday's trading session, though with a positive bias in today's trading session. We saw stocks like HDFC Bank rising from their intraday lows, Axis Bank also rising from their intraday lows. So there is positive momentum left in the banking stocks as well. Though some of the stocks like State Bank of India closed in the negative today, however, we feel that they might be just doing their sideways consolidation, and the positive momentum in them should also resume in the coming trading sessions. So we maintain a positive bias on Bank Nifty as well. Crucial supports for Bank Nifty are placed at 16,900 and 17,100. On the downside, crucial supports are placed at 16,620 and 16,560. So overall, friends, our view on the Nifty and Bank Nifty remain positive. Today the markets have hit an all-time high. We feel that the positive momentum should continue in the coming trading sessions. Crucial levels on the upside are placed at 8260 and 8300. Our short-term crucial supports are placed at 8140 and 8080. Our short-term target for Nifty on the upside has been revised to 8500 on the upside. So that's all for the day. Thank you.